Hey, okay, time to do some problems. Because physics has also got a very large practical component, maths is a skill, a practical skill. We must learn how to use it and we must do it. It's like dribbling a basketball or whatever, because it's a practical skill, we must do it, as opposed to a knowledge skill. So we're going to have to do some problems to make sure that you can do this. Now, I'm going to do some problems with worked examples with them. If you think you know how to do it, when I put the problem up, stick it on pause, try it yourself, and then turn on that salute again and see how it works. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to convert to base SI units. So I'm going to take a number like 2000 milliseconds. I'm going to convert it to the base unit. Now the base unit means, in this case, the unit without any prefix on it, without any letter in front. So the base unit for milliseconds, without the prefix, is just going to be seconds. This holds true for all of the units except kg, and we're not going to do any examples of that just yet. Okay, so 2000 milliseconds, we're going to convert that to a base unit, seconds. So the next question is, how many seconds is that? So there's two steps we must do. Step one, we must figure out how many places we're going to shift the decimal point. So milliseconds is -3, base unit's 10 to the 0. So we look at the difference between these two numbers here, it's 3. And the next question is, so we're going to shift the plate 3 decimal points. Which direction? Well, we're going from a small unit this to a bigger unit, so we're going this way. So we're going to shift the decimal point to the left. So if it starts there, we shift it 1, 2, 3. So that means it's going to be 2 seconds. 2000 milliseconds is 2 seconds. That seems reasonable. Let's try another one. If we have, no, that's a good, if we have 6 megajoules, a joule is a unit of energy. So how many joules is that going to be? So we're going to convert it to joules. So here's your chance to pause, try it yourself. And we're back. Okay, so 6 megajoules. So it's 2 steps. Remember, step 1, how many decimal places we're going to shift it. So look at this number here. Mega is 6, base unit is 0. So difference is going to be 6 units, or 6 decimal places. I then have to figure out which way. So I'm going down, I'm going from big to smaller, so I'm going that way, shift decimal. So I'm going to shift the decimal place 6 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 million joules. So let's try a couple more, because this is fun. Well, maybe not for you, but it's fun for me. Woohoo! Okay, so if I have 3 micrograms, grams, how many kilograms is that? Actually, yep, how many kilograms? Because remember, kilograms is the base unit. This is the one that really screws everything up. Okay, so I look here, step 1, how many decimal places are we going to shift it? I look here. Micro is -6. I'm going to kg. Kg is 3 kilograms. So the difference between -6 and 3 is 9 decimal places. Because I'm going from a small unit to a big unit, I'm going to shift them to the left. So I'm going to shift that 9. So it becomes 0.000000003 kgs. And now you can see why we use these prefixes. If you're doing engineering, they really love these prefixes, okay? In fact, most engineers have a calculator on their button, calculator button. They'll convert it to these powers. Cool. Okay, let's just do one last one and call it a day because I've got to go home. Okay, so we've done, if I have, 6 kilowatts of energy. Watt is a unit of power, it's an SI unit. It's a derived SI unit. So how many watts is that going to be? Again, we look, step 1, figure out how many places we're shifting. So kilowatt K is 3, we're going down to 0, so it's changing 3 decimal places. Because I'm shifting down, we shift to the right, 1, 2, 3. That becomes 6,000 watts. Cool. Okay, I'll see you for the next lesson. Woohoo!